Welcome to Complete K-12 Essentials. 4th grade Fractions Review. Basic concepts. Whole number. A whole number is a complete unit. The above circle is 1. Divide the whole circle into equal parts and you have a fraction. Your new fraction is written as 1 over 2 with a division bar separating the numbers. The top number is called the numerator. The numerator states the quantity of equal fractions. The denominator states how many fractional pieces there are. Notice that the whole number was divided into 2 equal pieces. Basic fraction notation. Fractions can be visualized on a number line. Fractions can be equal to each other and have different numbers representing the numerator and denominator. A fraction can be a mixed number. This means that it includes a whole number and a fraction. Fractions comments. Fractions are used in many formats and are an integral part of most new math concepts that you will encounter during your school career. It is a good idea to spend the necessary time on this fundamental topic. This lesson is the most basic concepts. We will introduce additional new concepts and methods to master them in this grade level series. Well, that was fun. Learning is always fun. Thanks for choosing a safe learning place. If you are new to this channel, help us out and like this video. Also, subscribe to the channel. We publish new content every Tuesday morning.